Hey everyone, welcome to day 5 of our 30-day content creation challenge. And guys, today we are going to kick right off with, I want you guys to be proud of yourselves today for what you have accomplished this week. I know that when we started this challenge, it was a lot, and everybody, well, not everybody, but there's a lot of people that have reached out to me and said that they're super overwhelmed with all of the new stuff that's happening. But guys, remember, when you start out something new, just because it's new, it feels overwhelming. I want you guys to just stick with it. Just stick with it, okay? Because this is going to make your life so much easier once you get this under your belt, and once you know and learn how to bulk content create and to schedule ahead of time. Guys, the possibilities are endless. You can schedule ahead of time, even a month. So I want you guys to really start thinking about how amazing it's going to be if you have got content scheduled out for that a period of time. So guys, I really just want you guys to focus on the small wins of this week. Every single thing that you have learned is a win. Okay, so guys, I want to quickly go on to this, and I want to say by now it is day 5, and you should now at least have, created all of your content, your face content and your faceless content. So right, I am going to, just for the sake of this, I'm going to make that red. And we are going to say that we have now done that, because yesterday and the day before I already started teaching you guys how to schedule to certain platforms. And now, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you guys how you can now take your faceless content and your face content and schedule it to Facebook, and we are going to be scheduling reels. Okay, so guys, when it comes to Facebook and Instagram, it's absolutely amazing because the two are integrated, and because Facebook bought Instagram a while ago, both of them are integrated. So you can connect your Facebook account with Instagram, and then you can post it once, but it's going to post to both platforms, which is absolutely amazing. But there's two sides to this. So we've got to understand that reels and reels and stories qualify for any kind of content. It can be face content or faceless content. Any content that is under 90 seconds is a reel or a story. Okay, so what we can do is we can go, if our Instagram, you can see that this is my business page. It's not my personal page. I have not converted my personal page to a business page yet. So if your business page or if your personal page is connected to your Instagram, you can go to the Meta Business Suite, and what you're going to be able to do there is right at the top here, you'll see that you can now go either to your planner, which is where you can schedule your normal posts, but that's the second part of this. So first I'm going to show you guys how you can now go and schedule the content you have already created. Okay, so we're going to go to the drop down here, and we're going to say bulk upload videos. Now guys, what I have done before I started this video is I went through all of my face content that I made and all of my faceless content that I made, and I have gone and chosen the ones that are under 60 or 90 minutes. Okay, so if it's over 90 minutes, 90 seconds, then you will not be able to do it this way. So I have then, after I took all of the faceless and face content and uploaded it to YouTube and scheduled it to TikTok. Now I'm going to show you guys. Then you go and select from both sides of what you have created, and you take your 90-second videos and you throw them all together. It doesn't matter if it's face or faceless. So what we're going to do is I've got especially a folder just for that, reels for Facebook and Instagram. So that is what I've done here. So I'm going to say bulk upload videos, right? And now it's instantly going to show you it's connected Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so I'm just waiting for it to there we go. And what it's going to do is it's going to ask me to add the videos. So I'm going to add my videos here. I just want to make sure So I've gone and set them aside because these are all of the ones that I'm going to be able to upload in here. And guys, this is keeping your reels and your stories. This is your reels. You're keeping it separate from your normal content. Everything that's over 90 seconds is normal content, and it will go out as normal content on your platform. So this is going to take a while to upload. And while it's uploading, I'm going to just pause. Okay, so this has uploaded now, and I want to show you guys something right here. So I did this for a reason, because I want to show you guys, if you did not give your video a name, you're not going to know which video it is that you're actually putting up, and you're not going to know which title or description to put to it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the ones that doesn't have names right now. And I've named some of them so we can actually continue. So guys, then I have got a super amazing tool. I just get excited when I talk about this, because I have found a super amazing tool, and thanks to Madeleine Store, she has shown me this tool, which is absolutely incredible. And I said to her, Madeleine, we've got to share this with everybody. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how we're going to do this. So guys, as you can see, we bulk scheduling now, and we're scheduling to Facebook and Instagram at the same time. Do you know how much time this is saving you? Okay, so you can see if I had put a title in there, it takes that title and it already puts it in here, right? So now guys, the next step and the next thing that I want to show you guys, everybody has ChatGPT, okay? Because we've been working with ChatGPT all this time. Now, look at what Madeleine showed me, and guys, this is going to rock your world, okay? Because I think all of us have been looking for something like this for very, very long. It is called Keywords Everywhere, and I will give you the link in the description of this video. All you've got to do, guys, is you have just got to download this and you install it in, you add it to your Chrome extensions. You can see there it is. I've added it to my Chrome extensions, and it automatically pulls through to your ChatGPT. Okay, so what you do with this is, here is the first one that I generated, and it really does actually give it to you very nicely. Okay, so what we're going to do is it gives you these templates. Okay, so what it is, oh my goodness, this is the best tool in the world. You can literally now go and choose, okay, copywriting, marketing, SEO, but we are going to specifically be using this for social media. And for this one, I'm going to say Facebook, and then Facebook post ideas, but it's got many different options there. And then we're going to go English. You can choose any kind of tone here that you want. You can say cheerful, conversational, creative. I will say enthusiastic. And then writing styles, you can choose whatever you feel like: creative, informative, persuasive. I think I'm going to just go with persuasive for one of them, and then topic. Okay, so I wanted to not write 5 posts for me, but I wanted to write only 1 for now, because I just wanted to write the description for me, right? So I'm going to go back to Meta, and I'm going to see, are you tired of work politics and being told what to do? So I'm going to copy that, because that's the title of the video, and that's kind of what this little faces video was all about. Then I'm going to go right back here, and I'm going to put that right in there. I'm just going to elaborate a little bit on it. So, are you tired of work politics and being told what to do? I'm just going to say that, or you can buy your own business and be your own boss. And then let's say our audience will obviously be your perfect customer, and mine is women who want to be financially independent, independent Didn't. Yes. Okay. There we go. And then you just say execute template. And guys, look at this. It is absolutely amazing. So it's writing out a very nice description right there for you. And this is specifically for Facebook. Okay. So now what you can do is you can actually copy this. Well, the other way of copying this is just to say copy, right? And then go right there, and then you can just go to your description, put it into your description, and obviously I'm going to then put my actual link in there. Let me just go grab that. There we go. And this is my link, right? I'm copying it from there and not typing it out because I wanted to have the HTTPS in front of it. Okay, that's why I'm taking it from there. And okay, let's start from the top. Are you tired of work politics and being told what to do? It's time to take charge of your life and buy your own business. Let's maybe make a space. Let's just see. Be your own boss. Yeah, make a space. Be your own boss, set your own rules, and create a future where you call the shots. And I like that description. It's short and it's not too complicated. Ladies, break free from 9 to 5. I'm not going to limit it to ladies, even though my target market is women. I'm going to say break free from the 9 to 5 grind and step into the world of entrepreneurship. Yeah, I don't really like the 9 to 5 phrase so much. Everybody uses it, but okay, let's use it for now and discover how you can achieve financial independence. Turn your dreams into reality. Okay, so then ready to make the leap. Click below to start your journey to becoming your own boss. And then obviously I give it my my website here. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut that and I'm going to go back and then put my link in there. And then below my link I'm going to say reach out to me for any questions. Whoa. Any questions, and then put in my email address. Okay, and then that is what it's gonna look like. Okay, so now what we get is more editing options. So guys, what you need to do here is for each one of these you need to now go and put in the description. So I'm going to pause and then I'm going to do that quickly, and once I am done then I'll show you guys how you schedule this. Okay, so you guys can see that what I've done now is I have actually gone and put in all of my descriptions according to what I called the posts. Okay, so all of them are in here now, and the next step for me will be obviously to go and look where do I need to schedule them. So if you go to publish now, and then you will see, so let's just see which one is this. Are you tired of work politics and being told what to do? Okay, so that I know more or less which day I would like to put this out. So that's a general kind of one, so I can just do that anytime. And if you go to publish now, you'll see that you can schedule it. Okay, so to be able to know when to schedule it, I got to go back to my calendar, and you can see right here that I have not scheduled anything for today. So what I can do is I can actually schedule this for 9 o'clock tonight, and then I just change it right there. And I would say at 9 o'clock, this reel will be going out on both platforms. Okay, so let's go and do that. So today is the 4th. It is the 4th, and I'm going to then just select 9 o'clock. And there we go. And update. Okay, and then I'm going to go through each one of them. So I'll do one more with you guys. Healthcare. Are you tired of worrying about your family's health because you don't have medical aid? So let's see. Now I've got to go and just tick this here because I've now scheduled that ahead of time. And we can, maybe that's a little bit too hard for a Friday. Maybe it will be good for a, let's do a Sunday. So Sunday, maybe Monday. Okay, so Monday we can go and say, because I said 9 o'clock there now, I'm going to try stick to the same times, and I'm going to have to remember to change my times according to what I did this week as well. So that's also something we need to do for next week. So I'm going to do it the 8th of July at 9 o'clock. So let's go back there, and healthcare, I'm going to schedule for the 8th at 9 o'clock again, and say update. And then guys, literally you're going to go through each one of your posts and decide when you want to schedule them. And I'm going to quickly pause while I do that. Okay, so once you have done all of that, you will see that it's going to show a date and it says scheduled under each one of them, right? So just check again that you have done each single one of it. And guys, then you literally are going to say publish, and it's going to then schedule them for you ahead of time. So that is how you can repurpose the same content that you've posted to TikTok and to YouTube, and now you've taken it and you've put it onto Instagram and Facebook in one go. And guys, I just want to, while this is uploading, I really want to encourage you guys to get keywords everywhere. Guys, this is going to be an absolute game changer for us going forward. There is so many things we can do with this tool. I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit more about it as I learn about it myself. And let's just quickly go back, and it's going to just say it's just loading it for us. The videos will be shared, and it says done. Okay, so now we know that it's scheduled and it's going to come up inside of your planner. But you know that these are reels that you have posted, right? So this is part 1 of scheduling to Facebook and Instagram at the same time. Guys, I also have a part 2 where I'm going to be showing you how you then create posts that you will be sharing to groups, because these are not those posts. So posts that are being shared to groups has a different strategy and a different size to them, but that is in the next tutorial. I will deal with that. So guys, blessings for today. I hope that everybody is up to date and happy, and please go remember to like and follow and click the bell item on my YouTube channel so you can be notified when the next day's of our content challenge creation is going to be published. And also remember to be interactive on our Facebook group. Guys, it is almost Sunday, and Sunday I want you guys to please remember that we are going to be posting our social media content trackers on Facebook so that we can see how far we got this week. Blessings guys, I hope that you have a wonderful day further.